Okay guys, so welcome to Mechanical Verse. So this is our continuation of number system. Okay, so in previous class we were in this position. Okay, we were in this position. Now we have to solve this question. Now we have to solve this question and we have to understand this question, what they're trying to actually say. Okay, so here okay. So if C not equals to here, they're saying B square minus AC into 3 root P plus AB minus C square P is equal to 0. If 3 root P is irrational, and therefore from 3 we get B square minus AC is equal to 0 and AB is equal to C square P. C to the power 4 P square is equal to A square B square is equal to A square into C. Okay, so here B square minus AC into 3 root P plus AB minus C square P is equal to 0. So 3 root P is irrational. 3 root P is irrational. And therefore from 3 we get B square minus AC is equal to 0. And AB is equal to C square into P. AB is equal to C square into P. So C to the power 4 into P square is equal to A square into B square is equal to A square into C. Okay? A square into C. No, here is A cube into C below. Okay? That A cube into C will also have it. Now how to solve this, guys? How to solve this? We have to do okay. Here C to the power 4 into P square is equal to A square into B square and is equal to A cube into C. Okay, A cube into C. I don't know how to solve this. Okay. Here B square minus AC into 3 root P plus AB minus C square into P is equal to 0. As 3 root P is irrational and therefore from 3 we get B square minus AC is equal to 0 and AB is equal to C square into P. So C to the power 4 into P square is equal to A square into B square is equal to A cube into C. So here is the equation and now we have to solve it. Okay, now we have to solve it. How do we solve? How do we solve? There's the question. That's the question. How do we solve? Man, this is ridiculous. Yeah? How to solve this? Here they are saying 3 root p, like 3 root p is what? Irrational. Irrational. 3 root p is irrational, and therefore from 3 we get b square minus ac is equal to 0. B square minus ac is equal to 0. Okay, and ab is equal to c, and ab is equal to c square into p. Okay. Okay, and they're saying that b square minus ac is equal to 0, and from 3 we get, suppose this is 3, from 3 they are getting b square minus ac is equal to 0, and ab is equal to c square into p. Okay, so from here c to the power 4 into b square is equal to c square into b square is equal to a cube into c is equal to a cube into c. Okay, so this is how this equation is. This is how this equation is. Now, how I don't know how to solve this. Okay, guys. This one is for which number? Which number? Okay, this is example. This is question number 8. Okay, we will go directly. We will solve it later. Okay, this is we will solve it later, because we will in next chapter we will also do number system from another book. Okay, we will also do number system from another book. I think there we will do number system in a great manner. Okay, there we will solve number of questions, many questions, because we have to what we have to strain then the number system. Okay, the number system is very important chapter in mathematics, so we have to understand this chapter well. Okay, so that's why we will practice more. Okay, we will practice more from another book. So now let's move to the next question, which is if A, B, C, D are all rational, A, B, C, D are all rational, and root A plus root B is equal to root C plus root D. Okay, then show that either A is equal to C and B is equal to D. A is equal to D, B is equal to C. Okay, and 3. The quotients of the quotients which root B by C, root B by D, then root C by D are all rational. Are all rational. Okay. Now here we have to understand the concept, so that if A, B, C, D are all rational and root A, Okay, this is a question. Okay, this is the question we have to solve. This is a question we have to solve. Here, if A, B, C and D are all rational and root A plus root B is equal to root C plus root D, then show that either A is equal to C and B is equal to D, and then A is equal to D and B is equal to C. The quotients root A by B, root A by C, root A by D, root B by C, root B by D, root C by D are all rational. Okay, the quotients root A by B, these are all rational. Okay, now here we go. A is equal to D and B is equal to C, and then A is equal to C and B is equal to D. Okay, suppose here, yeah, I got it, yeah. Okay, so have you guys noted it? Note it down first. Pause the video, note it down, then we will solve together. Done? Okay, I am removing this. Suppose here is given root A plus root B is equal to root C plus root D. Okay, this is given. Now we want to square at both sides. Okay, root A plus root B whole square is equal to root C plus root D whole square. Okay, now this comes A plus B is equal to C plus D. Okay, A plus B is equal to C plus D. So this is a question. This is a question. Now by squaring, they squared the both sides. Okay, by squaring root A plus root B, and they squared this side, and root C plus root D they squared this side. And now this comes. Okay, now this comes. Okay, suppose here they have written that root AB root AB is equal to root CD. Root AB is equal to root CD unless root AB root CD are rational. Okay, so now root AB is equal to root CD are rational. How? Unless root AB is equal to root CD, unless root AB CD root what? Yeah, they're saying and root AB. Okay, root A plus B. Root A plus B is equal to root C plus D. Root A plus B is equal to root C plus D gives them squaring both sides. A plus B is equal to C plus D, and root AB and root AB and root AB is equal to root CD unless root AB root CD are rational. Unless root AB root CD are rational. See example 7. Yes. See example. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So they have written, in how this go. Okay, so here root a minus root b whole square is equal to root c minus root d whole square. Unless root a b c here, okay, root a minus root b whole square is equal to root c minus root d whole square, unless root ab and root cd are rational. Unless root ab and root cd are rational. Okay. This means that root a minus okay. So that means this means that's writing. This means modulus of root a minus root b is equal to modulus of root c minus root d. Okay. Unless root cd are rational. Okay. So, okay, what is the meaning of this value? What is this? What is this? And what is this? What is this and what is this? Okay. Here this is means the modulus. This is means the modulus. Suppose this one is here. Suppose this one is here. After giving the modulus, okay, this is becoming, after giving, their square is absorbing. This modulus is absorbing the square. Okay, and it is becoming a simple root a minus into root b. Okay, after this, like they have square, they are absorbing the square, and this is becoming this. Okay, so this is a function of modulus. They absorb squares and also sometimes sines. Okay, so unless root ab into root cd are rational, unless this is not equal root a minus root b whole square is equal to root c minus root d whole square. This is not equal unless root ab and root cd are rational. Okay, so this is the solution we have given us. This means that modulus of root a minus root b modulus, okay, is equal to modulus of root c minus root d modulus, unless root ab root cd are rational. Unless root ab root cd are rational. Okay, so this is the thing. Done. Okay. Here, okay, I hope you, okay, so this is a simple funda. Okay, so that's saying if root a minus root b whole square is equal to root c minus root d whole square, unless root ab root cd are rational, this means that modulus of root a minus root b is equal to modulus of root c minus root d, unless root ab root cd are rational. Okay, so this is the total. These are total equal thing. Like this is equal. So if root ab and root cd are rational, so if this is equal, if root ab and root cd are rational. So this is one. Okay. So now let's move to the next line. Okay. They're saying the case one. Okay. Case one. So this is this solution is a little longer one. Okay. But we have to understand this solution. We have to, because we haven't any other option. We have to understand this solution. We have to understand this question also. Okay. Case one. Case 1, root a plus b, root a plus root b is equal to root c plus root d, root c plus root d, and root a minus root b is equal to root c minus root d. Gives a is equal to c, gives a is equal to c and b is equal to d. Okay, here root a plus root b is equal to root c plus root d. and root a minus root b is equal to root c minus root d gives a is equal to c and b is equal to d. Okay. Okay. How they are giving this? How they are giving this? Okay. Yeah. That's very correct. It's very correct. Suppose we have like this. We are squaring the both sides. Okay. Suppose we are squaring the both sides. Root c plus root d, and we have squared this both sides. This one and this one. Okay. I think this is done. And after this, a is equal to c, b is equal to d, b is equal to d. Okay. A is equal to C and B is equal to D. A is equal to C and B is equal to D. So this is, I think, done. Okay. And supposedly, and in this case, okay, in this case, root A minus B, root A minus root B is equal to root C minus root D. Okay, we are squaring the both sides. We are squaring the both sides, and this becomes like A is equal to C and also B is equal to D. So these are the two. Okay, I think hope we are done. So now this is the case 1. Okay, now let's move to the case 2. Let's move to the case 2. Let's move to the case 2. Okay, here they say now the one question arises. Oh no, no question. This is very simple. This is very simple. This is simple actually. Suppose root a plus root b is equal to root c plus root d, root c plus root d, and root a minus root b is equal to, here this we have written, root d minus root c gives a is equal to d, b is equal to c. Okay, here the one question is, if here is root a minus root b is equal to root d minus root c. So this is how, after squaring the both sides, a is equal to d and b is equal to c. But what is the meaning of giving this again? Giving this, okay, giving this equation. From this equation, okay, give me 1 second. Okay, let me think. Give me 1 second. You guys also think. Okay guys, okay guys, something we have got. I don't know. I may be wrong. I may be right. Okay, because I'm also learning. Okay, I'm also doing some mistakes, and because in mathematics mistakes are very important. Okay, you know, mistakes are very important. So we have to do mistakes because mistakes are necessity. Okay, so I hope. Uh, okay, nothing. Do it. Okay, so suppose suppose here one pattern you know we have given. Suppose root a plus root b is equal to root c plus root d. Here root ab root cd, here root ab and root cd, and root ab and root cd are what? Rational. Okay, are rational. Suppose root AB and root CD are rational. Okay, suppose this one, root A minus root B is equal to root D minus root C, gives A is equal to C and B is equal to C. A is equal to D and B is equal to C. Okay, and from this we have given the pattern, and A is equal to D and B is equal to C. Means after squaring, means after squaring the sides, and in case and in this also, like root B is equal to root D, root C plus root D. After squaring this side, there will be root A, B and root C, D are rational. Okay, I think we have done. Okay, so I don't know this pattern is correct or not. Okay, I don't know this pattern is correct or not. So, but we are trying. Okay, so please, if it's wrong, so please forgive me. Okay, but I'm telling you, I will not teach you anything wrong. Today we are doing something mistakes, or doing something right, doing something mistakes, but I'm telling you one thing. One day we will do everything right. Okay, everything right. But now today we are doing something wrong. Okay, but in future we will do right. Definitely, we will solve many questions on number system, and we will do correct every single question. Okay, so just give me a time. Just give me a time. We will do together. We will make it together. Okay, so let's. I'm removing this. Okay, let's move to the next line. Let's move to the next line. Okay, that root AB, root CD are rational. Rational implies that root AB, root C by D are rational. Okay, that root AB and root CD are rational. Implies that root A by B and root C by D are rational. How?